Okay, so my drive shaft came in sooner than expected. I think they were talking about 6 to 8 week delivery. Well, it came in like 4.5 weeks. So let's go take a look at it and we'll go ahead and install it. All right, so I went with the Denny's drive shaft. Okay, so what we're looking at here is their Nitrous ready drive shaft. Okay, it is the strongest drive shaft that they offer. It's a 3.5 inch and it comes with 1350 joints. Okay, so the sizes are like 1310 being the smallest, then 1330, and then 1350. This is a Sonax chromoly front yoke at the trans, and back at the 12 volt I already have a 1350 setup, and I have a forged yoke as well for when I built the 12 volt. Okay, so this guy, they claim they're using this on like 2,000 horsepower cars. Okay, so this will be this is it, man. This is strong. I'm never gonna have an issue with this. If I ever twist, bend, or break the welds on this, I believe they replaced it for free. Okay, so that's a really good warranty. And it comes with Spicer solid U-joints that I never have to grease. And since I spent so much money with them, they gave me a free t-shirt. So that's awesome. All right, this is cell phone footage because I can't really get under here with the camera, but here it is. I have good clearance between this spot right here. I was worried about the yoke here. This is the biggest diameter issue going 1350. It's like 4.8 in diameter or throw clearance of this, and I got really good clearance all here. You know, my car's lowered, so that doesn't help. But yeah, 3.5 inch diameter, works mint. That thing looks really good under here. It's gonna be strong, bulletproof, ready for action here for sure. And of course my rear end is built as well. I did that a year or two ago in prep for all this, so you know, the weak link is I don't think there is one right now, so that's awesome. All right, that's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.